Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa videong ito, muli tayong namasyal kasama ang pamilya sa Sentosa Island, Singapore. Pumunta kami sa Splash Tribe na matatagpuan sa Palawan Beach. Kaya mga katropa, muli sana ninyo kaming samahan sa aming munting paglalakbay. Ang Splash Tribe ay isa sa pinakabagong atraksyon sa Sentosa Island. Isa itong family-oriented resort na matatagpuan sa Palawan Beach. It is just right across Kidzania, Singapore. Walking distance lang from beach station ng Sentosa Express. Bukas ang Splash Tribe mula 10 AM hanggang 7 PM, Monday to Thursday, at 9:30 AM hanggang 10:30 PM naman pag Friday to Sunday. Kung balak nyong pumunta, pwede kayong magpa-reserve through their website www.thepalawansentosa.com/splashtribe. Andito tayo ngayon sa Splash Tribe. Ito yung isa sa bagong attraction dito sa Sentosa Island. Pakita ko sa inyo ang lugar. So yan, may mga lounge area sa taas. Ayan. Karamihan ng attraction dito or yung mga pools dito ay puro pambata. Ang pinakamalalim na pool na nakita ko is 1.2 meters. Ayun, may isang slide. Ito pa isang slide, oh. Magkatabi lang pala sila. Etong Splash Tribe ay malapit sa Palawan Beach. So kung pupunta kayo dito, in case na magko-commute lang from Sentosa, or from Harbourfront Station, Vivo City, yung tram o yung monorail, pupunta kayo ng beach station, and then walking distance lang to. Ayan ang aking mga pamangkin at kapatid na si Mabel. Here's Adi. Yun o. Yan. Kapatid ko si Mabel. Ito naman si Aya. Hi Ate Aya. So ito na yung Palawan Beach. Yan.
You're a vlogger. Say, Adi.
Ito yung pinakamalalim nila, 1.2 meters.
You're a vlogger. You talk to the vlogger.
Yan. Wait. So katapat lang siya ng Kidzania.
Kuya,
Oh.
I vlog daw. Welcome to my guys. Sabi ni Adi. Welcome to my guys.
Safe na safe ang mga nagsiswimming dito dahil ayan, may mga naka-station na lifeguard kada pool. Yan, yung mga lifeguards. Ito naman yung bar area. At ayun si Ate Nel at si Lulu. Say hi, Ate Nel. Hello, yan. Hi, Lulu. Ito ang ating pagkain for today.
May t-shirt
Pizza. Itong Splash Tribe ay katabi ng Ultra Golf. Tapos sa kabilang street naman, ayun, yung Palawan, yun, Palawan Kids City or Kidzania, Singapore.
Hi, we are in the beach. We're in Sentosa. And I'm just gonna show you around. This is my mom. Hi. And this is my sister.
Where?
Hi. Hi. And this is my tito.
Yeah.
Show around. There's the beach. We went there last week. Look at the sand. Look at it. Eep.
Hi.
Oh, spray it. Spray it.
And we're having fun. The vlog.
And we're having vlog. Blah, 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 vlog. Accidentally splashed water on it. Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
I want to take it under.
Okay, wait. So, that's all, folks. My English is already gone. No more. Okay.
No more. Sold out.
It's already
Sold
finished.
No more English.
No more English for today.
Yes.
Tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow, yes.
Okay, go Ate Aya. Ay, umuulan? Is it raining? What? Is it raining?
Picture, apat tayo.